Hey everyone, what's up? It's Codecrafters and we're back with another video. Today we're diving into 5 cool coding projects that are perfect for boosting your skills, whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your portfolio. We'll break down each project, talk about what you'll learn, and even give you some ideas on how to take them further. Let's get started. These projects aren't just about lines of code, they're about building real-world applications that you can actually use. We'll be covering everything from front-end development to back-end magic, and even a little bit of game development. So grab your laptop, your favorite IDE, and that perfectly worn-in coding hoodie. Let's dive right in. First up, the cornerstone of any developer's online presence, the portfolio website. Think of it as your digital HQ, your personal showcase to the world. It's not just about listing your skills, it's about telling your story, highlighting your passions, and showcasing your unique coding style. We'll be building this using the holy trinity of web development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML provides the structure, CSS adds style, and JavaScript brings interactivity. Think smooth animations, responsive design, and that overall polished feel. We'll explore different approaches, from building a static site for ultimate speed and simplicity to leveraging the power of content management systems like WordPress for easy updates and scalability. And because we're all about efficiency, we'll be integrating your GitHub profile directly into your portfolio. This allows potential employers or collaborators to see your open source contributions and the projects you're passionate about. Remember, your portfolio is a living document. Keep it updated with your latest projects. Now let's talk about hosting. We'll explore different options, from shared hosting to cloud hosting solutions like AWS or Netlify. We'll even dive into the world of domain names, helping you choose a memorable and professional address for your online home. And what's a portfolio without showcasing your actual projects? We'll dedicate a section to showcasing your work, highlighting the challenges you faced and the solutions you implemented. Think of each project as a mini case study, demonstrating your problem-solving skills. Finally, don't forget the contact form. Make it easy for potential clients or employers to reach out. This isn't just about coding, it's about building connections. Next up, we're tackling a classic, the to-do list app. Now, I know what you're thinking, a to-do list, really? But trust me, this seemingly simple project packs a powerful punch when it comes to learning fundamental concepts. First, you'll master the art of handling user input. Think text fields, buttons, and that satisfying feeling of checking off a completed task. Then there's state management. This is all about keeping track of your data, knowing which tasks are pending, completed, or maybe even procrastinated. We'll explore different approaches to managing state, from simple variables to more sophisticated libraries. And of course, no app is complete without a user-friendly interface. We'll dive into UI design principles, creating a visually appealing and intuitive experience for your users. We'll be using JavaScript frameworks like React or Vue to bring our app to life. For those feeling adventurous, we'll build a backend using Node.js and a database like MongoDB. This allows us to store our tasks persistently so they don't disappear when we refresh the page. This is where we introduce the CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. You'll learn how to add new tasks, retrieve existing tasks, update task details, and delete those pesky tasks you'd rather forget. And because we're all about best practices, we'll be covering error handling and loading states. Finally, we'll explore different deployment options for your to-do list app, from hosting it on your own server to using cloud platforms like Heroku or Vercel. This is where you'll learn how to make your app accessible to the world. In this chapter, we're going to level up our skills by tapping into the power of APIs, or application programming interfaces. We'll be building a weather app that pulls real-time data from a service like OpenWeatherMap. Working with APIs is all about making requests and handling responses. We'll be using JavaScript's Fetch API to send requests to the OpenWeatherMap server, asking for specific weather information. The data we receive back will be in JSON format, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Now, we'll learn how to extract the information we need from this JSON data, but APIs aren't always perfect. Sometimes requests fail, servers go down, or the data we receive isn't what we expected. That's why we'll be covering error handling, ensuring our app gracefully handles these situations without crashing. On the front end, we'll be displaying more than just temperature. We'll show weather conditions, humidity, wind speed, and even those cool little weather icons. And because location matters when it comes to weather, we'll be using the user's location to provide relevant information. We'll explore different ways to Get the user's location from browser APIs to geolocation services. Finally, we'll talk about API keys and authentication. Many APIs require an API key, which acts like a password, ensuring only authorized users can access the data. Ready to take on a bigger challenge? In this chapter, we're building our own blog platform. This is where we combine everything we've learned so far of front-end development, back-end development, database management, and even user authentication. First, we'll choose our weapons. We'll explore different back-end frameworks like Django, Ruby on Rails, or Express.js. Then we'll set up our database. We'll use a robust database like MySQL or MongoDB to store our blog posts, user information, and all the other data that makes our platform tick. Next, we'll implement user authentication. This allows users to create accounts, log in, and manage their own blog posts. Now, the heart of our blog platform, creating, editing, and deleting blog posts. We'll build a user-friendly editor that allows users to format their text, add images, and embed videos. We'll add features like tags and categories, allowing users to organize their posts and make them easier to find. We'll even implement a commenting system, fostering community and engagement. And because search is essential, we'll integrate a search functionality, allowing users to quickly find the content they're looking for. On the front end, we'll create a clean and modern design that showcases our blog posts beautifully. Finally, we'll deploy our blog platform to the world. We'll explore different hosting options, from shared hosting to cloud platforms, ensuring our platform is accessible and performant. This project will give you a comprehensive understanding of full-stack development. It's a great way to showcase your ability to build complex, user-centric applications. Let's get started on creating your very own blog platform. Time to unleash your inner gamer. In this chapter, we're diving into the exciting world of game development. We'll be building a simple game like a two-dimensional platformer or a puzzle game using libraries like Phaser for JavaScript or Pygame for Python. Game development is all about logic, physics, and user interaction. We'll learn how to create game objects, control their movement, and handle collisions. We'll also explore animation, bringing our game world to life with smooth and fluid movements. We'll learn how to create sprites, animate them, and integrate them into our game. And because sound is essential to any immersive experience, we'll add sound effects and music. User interaction is key in game development. We'll learn how to handle user input, translating keyboard presses and mouse clicks into game actions. Object-oriented programming is a core concept in game development. We'll use classes and objects to represent different game elements, making our code more organized and maintainable. Game states are another important concept. We'll learn how to manage different game states, like the main menu, the game itself, the pause menu, and the game over screen. Finally, we'll explore different ways to deploy our game, from hosting it on a web server to packaging it as a standalone application. Let's dive into the world of game development and create something fun. In this final chapter, we're going to harness the power of Python to automate repetitive tasks. Think of Python as your personal assistant, ready to take on mundane chores. We'll start with file organization. Write scripts to organize files, rename them, and delete duplicates. Then we'll dive into web scraping, extract data from websites and build custom data sets. Automated emails are another powerful application. Send automated emails, schedule reminders, and generate reports. We'll explore other automation tasks, backup files, convert formats, and control smart home devices. Python's vast library ecosystem is key. Efficient code is essential for automation. Write clean, concise, and performant code. Error handling is crucial. Handle errors gracefully. Schedule scripts using cron jobs or task schedulers. Automation scripts run automatically. Let's make your life easier with Python automation. So there you have it. There's 6 coding projects that are designed to not just teach you new skills, but also give you tangible, portfolio-worthy results. Each one tackles different aspects of software development, giving you a well-rounded experience. Remember, the key is to start, build, and keep iterating. These projects aren't just about the end result, it's about the journey, the problem-solving, and the aha moments you'll experience along the way. Don't be afraid to experiment, break things, and learn from your mistakes. That's how you truly grow as a developer. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more coding content, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching and happy coding!